I'm Shona McElroy and I'm the principal of Smac Studio Interior Architecture. We have doubled in size since we last spoke. We run a 6-person strong operation now. 6 is the number that's kind of really comfortable. It's better than I could have imagined. I think we've become so much more professional as well. We've really nutted out our processes and procedures, and we're running like a full business operation, which, I don't know, it's hard to think that I am a businesswoman now, but I guess we do that. No, if you're an interior design studio and you're not on Programa, what are you doing actually? No, I want to know, what are you doing? Like, are you on Excel? How are you going? We definitely range from interior and spatial planning through interior design, through to interior furnishing and styling. So I think it is definitely multidisciplinary. All of our clients are busy. Like, they're people that need to hire an interior designer. They're often successful. Their home is so important to them that, you know, they actually want to look and feel and see everything, but they don't get the time. It'll come to the project fruition and they're like, oh, I didn't know that was there. And you're like, really? You paid like $2,000 for it? So yeah, the client dashboard is really good because they can go through, they can look at all their tapware and they can go, okay, yeah, I've seen that, I've approved it, I've seen the color of it. And also it allows them to know that we've thought through every single thing in their project. And then yeah, having them approve it, I hope we don't ever have to use it, but if it ever got to a legality standpoint, we would be covered. So now we're getting to the end of our projects and everyone knows exactly what's going on. There's literally no surprises. So having doubled in size and onboarded a few staff now, Programa is super intuitive, super easy to use. We have our past schedules on there, all of our past projects, so it's really easy for anyone to go in and see the way we set things up. We also set everything up in templates as well. So we'll have like a full project template. You can just copy it, and then it's got, you know, the way we set all of our schedules out, the way we name them. We charge, like in terms of our fee structure, on a hourly basis. So it's important for us to be able to track our time in-house, understand how much each project is costing us so that we can continue to charge accordingly. I would have never been comfortable to bring procurement into the business, but because Programa, honest to God, makes it so easy that we can put in, you know, the RRP, the trade, our markup, the whole link is there for the client to see, and then it gives us all totals. It makes our procurement really transparent, makes us look super, super organized, even though really it's quite easy and intuitive to use, and that's become part of our service now. Look, the bigger that we grow as well, the more mistakes happen. You know, the more people we have on board, the more people it is to keep track of, the more clients there are to keep track of. It doesn't happen often, but being able to go back and just remind, hey, you know, like, you approved these, we've now designed everything around XYZ. It helps contain things and it helps kind of keep the project moving. I'm really proud of our processes and everything that we've implemented to streamline the business and have it running really well operationally. It's not something naturally designers are really good at. So being able to kind of implement and do that, I think, is really successful. And the projects are successful. I use Programa because it is professional, organized, and really intuitive and functional. That was 4 words.
I love it.